Here's the Funsicle Active 8 by 30. So 8 feet by 30 inches outdoor round frame above ground swimming pool set. It includes filter pump and a Type D filter cartridge, and the color is blue. And this is what's in the box. You got the parts. I did make sure that the parts are all in before I started assembling, and there's a quick instruction booklet. It's very easy to actually install. So you just have to unload the contents of the box, and you got the metal parts that's gonna form as the leg or the support for the pool. So all you need to do is to connect them. There will be instructions and step by step in the manual. As soon as you start assembling one set of the support bar, you don't have to look at the manual. Just follow through until you complete the circle. And again, make sure when you open the box you have all the parts, just so you don't start and then you're missing some parts. So also, it came with a cartridge, just one cartridge for the filter pump though. And the filter pump has its own booklet of instructions, and in a little bit I'm gonna show you how easy it was to install the pump. And then as soon as you're done assembling it, make sure you do a quick check as well. Make sure you have the support legs in the correct position. So once you started filling up the water, it's gonna make sure that it's not gonna go fall apart. Make sure everything is checked, like aligned and locked in. And here's the filter. Actually, it's the pump. So the filter came with it. It was easy to attach it on the hole there. I'll actually do a separate video on attaching that. But it took at least almost like 4 hours to fill that up. But the kids were able to actually play while the water was filling up. And here's how it looks once you filled up the water on the pool.